Escape the 9-to-5 grind. Unveil the secrets to making a steady income from your living room starting today. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today's guide isn't just about earning from home. It's a deep dive into transforming your skills into steady income. Stay with us to unlock strategies that will surpass your expectations. First off, this isn't about overnight success. It's about using your skills and interests in a disciplined and consistent way. Starting with freelance writing, it's a vast field. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are where you can find clients looking for various writing services. Whether it's articles, blog posts, ebooks, or social media content, you can write on a variety of topics. The key is to build a strong portfolio and maintain good client relationships. The pros include flexibility and a wide range of topics to choose from. However, it can be competitive, and income can be inconsistent initially. Next is the role of a virtual assistant. This job involves handling administrative tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, and data entry. Platforms like Zirtual or VA Networking can help you find such opportunities. It's great for those who are organized and have good communication skills. The downside might be the need to work across different time zones, which can be challenging. Blogging is another popular choice. To start, choose a topic you're passionate about, create content, and grow your audience. You can monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or advertisements. The challenge here is that it takes time to build traffic and generate income. However, it offers creative freedom and the potential for a significant income once established. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission for each sale through your link. Amazon and ClickBank are popular platforms offering various products. The advantage is the low entry barrier and no need to create products. However, building traffic and convincing people to buy through your link can be challenging. Selling products online, be it handmade crafts, vintage items, or digital products, is a lucrative option. Platforms like Etsy and eBay are great places to start. The pros include tapping into your creative skills and reaching a global market. However, you'll need to manage inventory, shipping, and customer service. Stock trading is for those willing to take on some risk and invest time in learning the market trends. It can be profitable, but comes with the risk of financial loss. If you're fluent in more than one language, offering translation services can be profitable. You can find work through freelance websites or by contacting companies directly. It's flexible and can be quite rewarding, but it requires excellent language skills and attention to detail. Online tutoring allows you to share your knowledge in a particular subject with students worldwide. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com provide a place to connect with students. You need to be knowledgeable in your subject and have some teaching skills. Graphic design offers the opportunity to work on diverse projects like logos, brochures, and social media graphics. Websites like 99 Designs and Behance are platforms where you can showcase your portfolio and find clients. Creativity and staying up to date with design trends are key. Web development and programming are in high demand. If you have coding skills, you can find numerous remote work opportunities. The work is well paid, but it requires technical skills and continuous learning to stay current with technological advancements. Social media management is perfect for those who are savvy with platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. The job involves managing business profiles, creating content, and engaging with the audience. It requires good communication and marketing skills. Online coaching or consulting is for those who have expertise in a particular area and want to share their knowledge. You can offer your services through webinars, one-on-one coaching sessions, or group workshops. It's rewarding and allows you to impact others' lives positively. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. You partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to your customers. It's a great way to start an e-commerce business with less capital, but it requires good marketing and customer service skills. Selling photography online through platforms like Shutterstock and iStock is ideal for those with a talent for photography. It's a way to earn passive income, but the market is competitive. Video editing skills are highly sought after in the current digital landscape. You can offer your services to businesses or individuals. While it can be lucrative, it requires technical skills and an understanding of current trends. Enjoying the journey so far? Continue the voyage with us. Hit subscribe, mark your enjoyment with a like, and ring the bell to navigate through more exciting destinations. Ready to explore further? Let's set sail once more. Voiceover work involves lending your voice to various projects like commercials and audiobooks. It's an interesting field, but it requires a good voice, recording equipment, and sometimes specific training. Data entry jobs might not be the most lucrative, but they are easy to do and don't require special skills. They're great for earning extra cash in your spare time. Writing and selling ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle allows you to turn your expertise or creative writing into profit. It requires writing skills and marketing effort, but can provide passive income. Creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera is a great way to share your knowledge. You'll need to create comprehensive and engaging content, but it can be a consistent source of income. Participating in online surveys and market research through sites like Swagbucks or Vindale Research is an easy way to make some extra cash. It's simple, but generally offers small payouts. Renting out property on Airbnb can be profitable, especially if you have a desirable location. It requires maintenance and customer service skills. Creating a YouTube channel can be a creative and potentially lucrative way to earn money. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. It requires creativity, consistency, and understanding YouTube's algorithms. Becoming an online personal trainer or starting a cooking class are great for those passionate about fitness or cooking. These require expertise in the field and the ability to engage and instruct others. For crafters and DIY enthusiasts, creating tutorial videos and monetizing through ads and sponsorships can be rewarding. It allows you to share your passion while earning. Working as a customer service representative from home involves handling customer queries and issues. Many companies offer remote positions, but it requires good communication skills and patience. Starting a podcast can be another interesting avenue. You can monetize through sponsorships and ads, but need to create engaging content and grow your audience. Website and app testing are good for those who can provide detailed feedback. User testing is a platform where you can earn money for testing and reviewing. Selling handmade items like sewing or knitting projects online can turn your hobby into a business. It's fulfilling but requires crafting skills and marketing. Pet sitting or dog walking is perfect for animal lovers. It's a great way to earn money while enjoying the company of pets. Direct sales, selling products from companies like Avon or Tupperware, can be profitable. It involves networking and sales skills. In conclusion, the opportunities for earning money from home are diverse and abundant. It's about finding the right fit for your skills and interests. Start today, and soon you'll find yourself successfully earning from the comfort of your own home. Begin your ascent to digital excellence today. Your first step is a free ebook, unveiling the most cutting-edge online business strategies in the market. But the journey to mastery doesn't stop there. Next, you'll face a comprehensive 15-day challenge deliberately constructed to sharpen your skills in the e-commerce arena under the guidance of seasoned digital professionals. Equipped with actionable strategies and an advanced toolkit, you're ready to carve out your own success story. Eager to make your mark? Seize this moment with determination. Click the link in the description promptly and start your transformative journey in the digital business world. Powering down from today's e-earning culinary show. Cooked up success with the method? Delicious profits or in need of seasoning? Dish out your experiences in the comments. Did today's financial recipe whet your appetite for more? Click like to savor the flavor. Hungry for more gourmet earning tactics? Subscribe and ring the dinner bell for a seat at every feast. Before you clear the table, spot that video on the menu. It's a secret ingredient to another flavorful income strategy. Dig in, and let's keep cooking up digital wealth until our next kitchen encounter.